Hello everybody and welcome to Strategy Now here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Here to give you what's going on here in the midday, looking at all the strategies and the action that's happening here in the lunchtime hour. Well, taking a look at the major moving averages, they're near the highs of the midday, with the Nasdaq at 4892.25, up about 31.50. That's around almost 0.6%. Trading just ahead of the S&P 500, coming in at right around 2206.75. So it got over that 2200 level, up about 625, or in other words, 0.3%. The small caps came in at 1333.10, up about 250, and you also have the Dow Jones up 39 at 19,118, staying well above that 19,000 level. Now, it was a little bit of a mixed affair this morning. It was slow but steady grind to the upside. We saw that earlier in the session. There was a little bit of uncertainty that started to creep in the market, but the strength of the larger cap sectors started to pick up, and we saw a grind to the best levels that we've seen all day. Now, to be fair, the economic data that's been coming out basically has been a catalyst to the upside. You had the second estimate of the third quarter GDP. That was revised up to 3.2% from 2.9%, and there was an upward revision of personal expenditures growth. You also saw that the November consumer confidence also surpassed expectations, coming in at 107.10. You have seen most of the cyclical sectors trading in the positive area, and that's overshadowing what's been going on in the energy sector. Take a look at XLE, basically down about 1.6%. Now, the energy space has been under pressure since we continue to see the headlines, as we've warned for the past week, since the technical meetings had ended for OPEC, and now you have the formal meeting that's supposed to conclude on Wednesday. Another headline came out today. Basically, the Iranian oil minister, Zangani, said that they are not going to participate or partake in any type of production freezes or cuts. That really hit West Texas early. It's down now by over 4% at 45.19, and the volatility is, again, expected until we get some sort of outcome, good, bad, or indifferent, out of the OPEC meeting that is supposed to officially end tomorrow. That is Wednesday. On the upside, we did see the healthcare sector, take a look at XLV, up about 1%. And that's been boosted by the performance of UnitedHealth Group, which is up about $5 at $157.50, and also Allergan, up about $3.30 at $193.30. We also see that all powerful, volatile biotech area that's not only helping out the healthcare sector, it's also helping out the Nasdaq stay ahead of the S&P 500. Now, the IBB, which tracks the biotechnology stocks, is up about 192 at 281.91, and that's a climb of about 0.7%. It's been led by Amgen, which is up about $1.47 at 146.54, as well as Celgene Corp, up $2.07 at 122.37. You're also seeing some other influential groups that are influencing the upside push. One specifically is going to be the consumer discretionary space. Black Friday's over, Cyber Monday's going over. We're now getting into the thick of the holiday spending spree, and you can see that the XLY is trading about 0.3% higher today, and that has been masking some of the performance that we've seen from Tiffany's, ticker symbol TIF. The specialty jeweler came out, had really solid earnings results, as well as reaffirming guidance going throughout this year and into Q1. The jeweler is up $3.11 at 81.25. So some really positive from that high-end jeweler. Taking a look at treasuries, well, they've been flashing some moderate losses across the board. Now, there has been a little bit of bounce in price. You've seen that yields have backed off. Specifically, if you look at the benchmark 10-year yield, it's basically just above the flat line, but there has been pressure to the yield percentage right there, down about 1 basis point to about 2.31%. One other notable piece of economic information was the consumer confidence index. Again, surged about, and I'm just looking at this right now, 1.0710. I mentioned that earlier, but there was the consensus that it was coming out right around 100. What's interesting, though, is that the October number was revised up from 98.6. And what further gives some merit to these numbers is, and the potential positive nature of these numbers is, most of these were surveys that were taken before the election results were released. So very interesting there. Could be another catalyst that we're going to watch going forward as far as economic data. Well, that's it for strategy right now. At 3:30 Eastern, we will be doing Tech Talk, where we're going to marry charts and option pricing, show you what's been happening in the past as far as price history, and then take a look at the options. The options are telling us what could potentially happen with price action going into the future. So join us at 3:30 Eastern Time for Tech Talk. Till then, have a great trading day.